Alright, YouTube, well, guess what? Today, I just went out and got something for my Hora Irish bouzouki. Got a couple 9-volt batteries, and I have one already installed. It's ready to go. All I have to do is just slide this in. And 9-volt battery is installed. It's currently not plugged in at the moment, but we have one installed. Just pull it out. It's supposed to plug into an amplifier, and we finally got one. There's the connections for it, and so I'm going to go ahead and install it back in. I just now put a battery in my bouzouki, and it's clicked into place. Now I guess there is a light in there, but it's not at the moment turned on because it needs to be plugged up to something, but there we go. My Hora Irish bouzouki has a battery in it now. Alright, there we go. Thanks for watching. And more to come later.